Well, how much do you think about the water that comes out of your tap?
One Toronto woman takes it very seriously, so much so she turned tasting water into a career. Dana is back with her story. Dana.
And you may think water is water, but not so, according to a water expert who says you can get so much more from the water you are drinking than you may think.
I'm exactly the water version of the wine sommelier.
Christina Lee is a certified water sommelier. Yes, it's an actual thing. Lee's job is to find the best quality water on the market and consult on which kind of water pairs best with some food. She is the only water sommelier in Canada, and there are 180 sommeliers around the world. Her background is in the restaurant business, but it was a health scare with cancer that changed the kind of water Lee was drinking.
What kind of things I can do day in, day out to make the change. And I find that water is one of the crucial elements.
Lee says that Toronto Tap is still one of the best in the world, but she recommends, in order to get the most health benefits out of the water, which helps remove any chlorine. In regards to bottled water, Lee says they are not all made the same. It is a slight sound, but it is similar to what you may hear when you open a can of pop. Lee says that is a sign of reverse osmosis. It may also be called filtered water. This type of water is not bad for you, but Lee says it means the minerals in the water have been taken out. Lee prefers brands that add elements for hydration.
Per liter,
Magnesium,
calcium, hydrogen carbonate, and sodium.
Lee says these ingredients have to be included to be considered high-quality water, but some of these high-end brands could cost upwards of $15 a bottle.
Water is water.
Yes.
I'm not spending $4 on a bottle of water when I can turn my tap on.
And just like a wine sommelier, a water sommelier can make recommendations as to what may go best with certain foods. Lee recommends that for light dishes, go for flat. More savory food will pair well with sparkling.
Your health is actually the most precious.
Cheers.
And cheers. This is why.
That's make you thirsty, huh?
Now we have to check our labels for water?
Yes, we do.
Wow.
Well, if you want to get the most
I guess so.
out of your water, that's what Lee is recommending.
$15 a bottle, too.
Some water bottles are $15, but just to be fair, those really expensive bottles of water were international brands that, of course, are not from Canada, and some of them are sparkling. So
I do
they are
like
fancy,
sparkling.
but they were delicious.